Welcome to Autopath Special Transport webinar. My name is Andrej Kugošek and I am Technical Manager at Infrastructure Department at CGS Plus. Let me say a few words first about the Autopath. So Autopath is a professional software solution which is used by civil engineers, transportation professionals, architects, urban planners for swept path analysis for different objects like intersections, roundabouts, parking lots, loading bays, and so on. Autopath runs on Autodesk and BricsCAD platforms. AutoCAD and its verticals from version 2011-2016 are supported, and BricsCAD platforms from version 2013-2016 are supported. It's translated to several languages. It supports English, German, Russian, Portuguese, Italian, Polish, Czech, Hungarian, Turkish, Slovenian language, and supports also many different country standards like ASTO, Germany, Sweden, Swedish standard, Norwegian, Australian, and New Zealand standard. But Autopath, it is not used only for, let's say, standard vehicles, for usual, let's say, unusual projects. It can be used also for special transport. In cases when our load is very heavy and oversized, and when the heavy load cannot be dismantled into smaller parts, we have to use special transport vehicles. And with Autopath we can define such vehicles. We can define vehicles with multiple trailers, with several axes. We can define different axis parameters, and all this process will be shown in the following video. Autopath has open and flexible vehicle library, so it means that you can add, remove vehicles, you can change the parameters. It's very easy to add and to define a new vehicle, and also to import or export vehicles from the library. So in our example we'll define the special transport vehicle showed in this picture. So let's start the vehicle library command and add a new vehicle definition. So let's name it special transport, and we have to select a vehicle template when defining a new vehicle. So Autopath has several vehicle types built in the library, so we have to select that one that represents the kinematic movement of the vehicle correctly. So in our example that would be the semi-trailer. It has the truck in the front, it has the trailer at the back. The connection is also the same as for the special vehicle transport. So let's use this one, semi-trailer, and then we have we can define all the vehicles parameter here in the list separately for the truck and for the trailer, but we'll need some more definition, so to define more axles, and for that purpose we have to use this advanced definition. Click here, and we have a new dialog to defining vehicle axis. So it has axles in the front and it has axles in the back. Each one has its own parameters like width, number of wheels, radius, width, and the type. Is it fixed or is it turning? So the front axis would be turning, and then we need to define a wheelbase. It's a distance between the front and the first rear axis. So in our case is 1.985, and then we continue with the back axles. So the second one will have 2 wheels and it will be turning also like the first one, and then we have to add 2 more. So offset to the previous, so between the second and the third would be 1.36 meters, and we will have 4 wheels and the axis will be fixed. Okay, and we have to add the fourth one with the same parameters. So here on the right side you have a preview to see the exact vehicle definition, so you can pan, you can zoom in and check if the definition is correct. Okay, and now we'll continue defining axles for the trailer. So again, select the trailer, click advanced definition, and start defining the axles. So the trailer has altogether 8 axles. All of them are turning, so at the start we have to define the wheelbase. The wheelbase is a distance between the connection point and the first trailer axis, and in our example it's 3.78 meters. Sorry, here 3. I will delete this axis, which are like this. And so the first axis, so for the trailer we have different types. It could be fixed, it could be turning, or it could be effective wheelbase. So for the first axis I will select effective wheelbase. It will not be the real axis, it will define the rotation point of the vehicle. And I know that for this vehicle the rotation point, the virtual rotation point, is in the middle of the trailer, and it's, in our example, it's 12 meters. So of course you can change this effective wheelbase anytime. Okay, and now let's start defining other trailers. So the trailers, the wheels will be a little bit smaller, 0.5 meters, like this. And so this first axis, the first back axis on the trailer, will not have the offset it will be offset is defined with the wheelbase. So that was the first one. Now let's add the second one. The offset, as you can see in the picture below, from the between the first and the second is 1.36 meters. Other parameters are correct, so 4 wheels. Okay, so now we have 2. Let's add one more. We have 3, and now we come to the bridge. Let's add another one, and the width of the bridge, or the length of the bridge, is 10.765 meters. And then we have 5 more axes at the back, so with the same parameters, 1.36. so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so click again to check the definition. So you can see here is our trailer. Let's zoom in to see if the definition is okay. Yes, it's correct. Okay, and here is, so we defined the special transport vehicle. So now we have to put the load on the trailer. So we have a special transport with the load. To do that, we'll start the vehicles library command, select the special transport vehicle and click edit. So both truck and the trailer have the horizontal and the vertical contour definition. So it's very easy to define let's say special contour or different contour for the vehicles in Autopath. You can simply create a polyline and say this is my new vehicle contour and save it to the library. So let's do that first for the horizontal contour. Clicking on horizontal contour, I have this, get these 2 buttons here to add, and I have to select the position in the drawing. So I have these new contours prepared in advance to speed up this process of defining, but you could create your own polyline here with AutoCAD commands as well. So select the position in the drawing, and so this is my existing horizontal contour for the trailer, and this is my new contour that I would like to use. So as I said, I could use all the editing AutoCAD commands to create a new polyline and use it, or I can simply use existing one. Just select copy command, select the contour and move it to the right location. So this point would go here, and I have to delete existing one like this, and this would be my new contour for the vehicle, for the trailer. Now I have to click here. I have to confirm, yes, select a closed polyline, and this is my horizontal contour definition. Now we could do the same process to define a vertical contour definition. So click here to vertical contour. I again get this add button, put it here, and for the vertical contour we'll use this new schema here. Select the position in the drawing, so I get the wheelbase. The wheels are created for the vehicle, and I have to use this new contour and to move it to the right location. So we'll just use copy command, select the polyline. Okay, base point would be the center of this tire. Let's say here intersection between those two lines, and my new location will be here, center of this circle. Okay, so this is my new vehicle contour. I have to confirm it. Okay, and now program asks me, please select back connecting point. So each trailer has front and end connection. End connection point will be here. I will put it, let's say, in this point, and the front connection point will be here, midpoint of this line here, and we have to select, I have to select a closed polyline. Okay, and here is my, click OK, and this is my vehicle definition with the load, so trailer with the load. So now we will create a horizontal analysis for the special transport. So here I have a service area, and I would like to check two different paths along which the special transport could move, to check if the paths are wide enough, and to select the track which is better. So we will create a horizontal analysis with the easy drive method. So I have started the command, select the vehicle from the list. It's a special transport vehicle, and check the starting point of the vehicle in the drawing. So first path will go here down in this location, and the second one will check this route here. Okay, so let's start here, set the direction. So as you can see, here is my vehicle with a load. So I can use the mouse, and so do the I have to be very precise, so I can zoom in, of course, during the simulation, because here it's pretty narrow. Pick like this, go on, so here seems okay. So I can also use the turn prediction, forward turn prediction, which shows me the maximum turn to the left and to the right. It helps a lot really when driving easy drive, so to set the right mouse position. So pick here, okay, this. So this looks, it's not, I didn't do it really good, so I can go back and maybe once more. Let's do like, let's keep it simple, like this, like this, and so, and this turn prediction to go straight forward also helped me to find the right direction. Okay, so this is my first track. Now I can use this navigation command or navigation window to show how the vehicle drives along the path. Okay, so this is my first route. So I will repeat the easy drive command and try the second one. The second one will be here, so from this point to this point, and then we will select the path which is better. Okay, let's do like this. Okay, try and stop it here. Okay. Also here I can use this animation window to check the movement. I am using the slider now. So if we compare those paths, this one looks quite okay. The second one, the critical part I think is here. It's pretty narrow. Here we could have the problem with the heights also, the clearance. And here it's so the last wheels are driving on these curbstones. So I can also use here the grips, move so to slightly change the path of the vehicle. So the outer edge is calculated automatically. So as you can see now, that looks better, and I can start the horizontal analysis or this animation window again, and to check how it goes now, much better than before. So if you don't find the right path at the first place, you can just simply use grip edits for the minor changes and to fine-tune the vehicle path. Okay. So this animation window helps me also to create some reports. So I can start with I can press this settings button, and I have several possibilities here to show the results. So to the horizontal reports, I can create an outer edge of the vehicle. So I can color the area. I can create the vehicle axis here, and I can also draw the graph. So which shows the wheel turns, the front wheel turns to the left and to the right. Okay. And of course, I can also create or to draw a vehicle in selected position, like here, or go back. Let me turn off the axis. Okay, and move the vehicle to this position, and we can also draw a trace like this. And now we'll create a vertical analysis for the special transport vehicle. So the critical part in this example is this gas station here, and I would like to check a vertical clearance here. So we have a profile or section of the service station or a petrol station here, and so we'll start the vertical analysis command, select the path for the vehicle, and I have to select the special transport vehicle from the list, and so here is the profile of our vehicle. So as you can see, here is the load on the trailer, and so we can move the slider to check the critical part. It seems that we have a problem here. Yes, it is a critical part here, so something has been done to ensure that this vehicle could drive this way. We can also also here in the vertical or clearance analysis, we have different report possibilities. So we can show the outer edge, we can even color the area if necessary. Okay, and we can also create a vehicle in that position. Of course, this vertical analysis performs automatically if you change the polyline or line along which the vertical analysis was created. So if I move this, it will dynamically update to adapt the result. So that was the technical part. Thank you for your attention, and now my colleague Gregor will speak more about sales and marketing stuff regarding Autopath. Thank you.
Good day everybody, my name is Gregor Pipan and I'm responsible for marketing with the CGS Plus. Today I would like to share with you some information about Autopath, about pricing and some marketing stuff. So if you were interested in Autopath and you want to download it, you can do so through our internet pages. Just browse on the software section and click download free trial on the Autopath product. Free trial is limited to 7 days and it has certain limitations regarding vehicle library, but otherwise it has all the functions as the full version, so you can test it out and decide if you want to buy it. To get you started, we offer several short videos which are also accessible through our web pages. These are short tutorial videos. Just go to our web page Autopath product and click getting started with Autopath, and you will see videos that cover everything from the easy drive through the horizontal and vertical analysis, and also it covers setting up custom vehicles, special transport and handling the vehicle library.